What's in the box? When you order your hood heat extractor, this is the kind of box you'll get. You get your hardware and manual. You'll get the hood extractor itself. We'll lay that out here in a minute. You get your template to cut it out with. This says hardware and manual, but actually you only get your hardware, your screws and bolts, and you have your template. This is so lay it on here. Actually, I'm going to cut mine out, lay it and tape it on here. Just get some blue painter's tape. Tape it all down in the area that you're gonna put it. Anyway, we'll go into that more detail on that later. But this is just to show you what's all in the box. Here's your hood insert template. And okay, I got the heat extractor set up here, and this is all carbon fiber. So it's gonna take a lot of work to get it put in, but it's gonna look really good. So this is again just to show you what's all in the box, and I'll drop a link below on where I got it from. Got it on eBay. Be making this video soon. Okay, forgot to show you the rain pan that goes underneath the hood of the car. So that's what this looks like.